Let's crush a Maxi nerdle. We get 24 divided by 6 plus 3 times 8 equals 7. All right, a lot of purple here. We have a lot of this equation. Okay, so it's at least a double-digit number. Its multiplication could definitely be a triple-digit number. I haven't used subtraction yet. So double-digit here means that I could go single-digit, 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 I believe. If I went 6 times 4, that's 24. 6 times 4, and then I can make this equal 17 is what I'm thinking. 6 times 4 is 24 minus 2. I won't be able to use all the numbers. I almost can, though. Minus 2 minus 3 equals 19. And this is a pretty good equation. It uses all the numbers except for the one number that I know where it is. Very helpful, I think. I got a 9. Wow. Okay. So I didn't use the 7, so I have everything in the equation. It doesn't equal 17. I could probably make this equal 47 if I did 6 times 9. Not quite. Oh yeah, I can't subtract twice. Okay, so I'm not subtracting twice. So I'm probably subtracting two things multiplied. So it could be 6 times 9. If it was 6 times 9, I could probably figure this out if I gave this some time. Oh, no, I can't put subtraction there, though. That's weird. That's very strange, actually, that I can't put subtraction in either of these places. That's very telling, actually. It absolutely has to go here. So I'm multiplying 6 times a double-digit number, I think is what that means. Because I have every single thing. So, yeah, I mean, I have to keep this pretty small, right? 6 times 12 is 72. Then to get to 7, I would have to subtract a 5. That doesn't work. I think this is going to have to be a 1. 6 times 13 would end in an 8. And then I can subtract 9, right? Yeah, that's how that works. No. Subtracting 9 would equal 9, so that doesn't work. So 13 doesn't work either, I don't think. 6 times 14 would end in a 4, and then I'd have to subtract a 7. That doesn't work. I don't even see this working. 6 times 19, there's no way. Wait, how do I make this work? 6 times 12 ends in a 2, and I would have to subtract a 5. Okay, so, I mean, this number can't be a 1 then? Is that what that's telling me? Okay, if I did 21, this number is going to be way too big. 6 times 21 is 126. I could do minus 9 there. 6 times 21 is 126. Minus 9 is going to equal something. If this number ends in a 9, this number ends in a 7. But I'm not going to be able to make these numbers work because the only numbers I have left are 4 and 3. I could do 4 and make this equal 87. Is that right? 126. No, this would be 77. Whatever. I don't know. This moves stuff around. I'm having trouble figuring this out. I didn't use the 3. So like I have every number. So 9 doesn't go here. So I'm going to be subtracting 90 something. And that makes sense. I was very close to getting this. I should have given it another second, probably. All right. If I put a 3 here, ends in 8. Yeah, and then I can subtract 2. That probably works. 6. Okay, 6 times 23 is 138. 138 minus 94. No, oh, no, I can't use another 2. It's not. I was thinking 2 would work, but I can't put a 2 there. So if I put a 4, it doesn't work. The only numbers that can go here are 3 and 4, I'm thinking. I don't think I can put the 9 here. That gets really big, and then I can't subtract 90 something. It feels like this has to be it. Minus 91 equals 47. This is probably it. Why was it saying 2? This has got to be the answer. So 47 plus 91, yeah, is 138. And that's exactly what 6 times 23 is. All right, finally got there. There's a Maxi nerdle for you. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.